Take me. Take me.
No, not going.
Daddy? Why do you run away from me? Why?
Be careful.
They freaked me out.
You are Vietnamese
Uncle
chicken.
Ina, they freaked me out. Why?
Come here, come here. Can you go up? Hold me and come up.
And don't touch the No, they are.
One by one. One by one. Don't fall. Very strong girl, Gracie now.
What the heck? Is this Uncle Ina chicken?
Move.
Uncle Ina, these are your chickens.
Yeah. And be careful, okay?
Wow, I love
Move. See.
I love
See there.
I'm using my.
Hey, don't move. Okay.
I want to stop it.
See, this one.
Wow, I love it. I want to go that.
Bring Uncle waiting.
I want to take that one. I want to take that one.
Look, parrots are there.
And don't tap the kids, okay?
See there, Ines. Watch them. They're eating.
I want to go more.
They're eating, okay? They will skate. Don't go near.
I want to go that chicken.
Wait, Uncle. Thank you. See? They're all rabbits.
Why they are all packing in their food?
No, they run away.
Uncle Ina, I want this white and black chicken. It's so
See,
cute.
he's going inside. There.
I want inside there. I want to get inside there.
See? No, you cannot go inside.
Wow. They are eating their foodie. They are so beauty. They are not harmful. Uncle Ina is not harmful in the door. Why did that back up, boy?
You're feeding her.
Yeah, plus one is sick.
Hey, again they they were speaking to me. I want that chicken with the
Yeah,
black.
I can see less number of chicken this time, yeah?
Yeah.
What happened?
Lots of like.
How?
Oh, why in that different sound? Why can you say the sound? Because they are speaking. Because they are me.
Yeah, they eat.
I love it. Hey, stop it!
He's sick on the left side. That's it.
Why?
He's still sick. Uncle Ines is sick. So why is that? No, come.
Why? What?
Uncle Ines is there because he's not eating. Like we feed Rina, feed Isa. Yes. Again, run away.
Come on. Cutie.
They will fight out. So they're dangerous. You see.
Come on. It's not harmful.
Harmful. I'm telling you now. Listen to Papa.
Hi, come on. Let's come close to him. He's so lovely. It's being so lovely.
Come from side. They're eating food.
What does that smell? Okay? Oh, it's so good.
Stand here and see. Otherwise they will run away. You
Wait, what they talking about? They lay eggs. After they eat it, they will lay eggs after dinner.
They are more.
How did these baby chicken have colorful wings?
Yeah, it's just for them.
Okay, let's go. Whoa, why their face is red? Why their face is red? What is that about, Flo?
Let's see. Hold this and report. This. Keep hold.
But I can't see the
Yeah, you just keep it like this. Yeah, recording.
Why do you all?
No, it's a sleep mode. Bed same. These are the chickens. It's a sit down.
You're not scared of me. I want that chicken over there.
Okay. Tell him.
Their feet is so cute. And so down they are fighting. Uncle Ina?
Yeah.
I want that white and black and red face from that chicken. Are you almost done feeding these chicken?
Don't touch this. It's close dirty. Hand. आज है डे 4 and 28 December 2025. Okay, come. Okay. और आज हम आए
Uncle Ina, are you almost done feeding the chicken? But I want that white and black chicken.
Don't move, okay?
Come, them.
You will fall down. It's all dangerous.
What the heck? Why are they eating them? They are so cute. See that? Come on. You can do it. Why is it throwing his food? Because why is he throwing his food?
He's eating, not throwing.
See, he's throwing it.
Let us see them. I'll show you. Come from very thing, but should go forward. But from here, a nice view is going to come. Yay.
Hey, there's a poop.
Oh, see. Wait, nice view. Wait. See the helipad there, airport there, behind the thing. In this building, airport is there. What? Where?
Over there.
We'll have to go. Ask him uncle, not touch that chicken.
The white face and with white body and with the black dot. Uncle, now I want black and the white.
She want to touch the black, white.
I want the
She'll run.
with the both black mixed
Black and white, yes.
and the red face.
With the red face.
Come on, Uncle, now get out.
Then hands are dirty. Wait, let him wash. All are have gone, yeah. There was so many.
Somehow, maybe the
To whom?
Why did they all?
Want to touch that red, white?
I want that.
Wild.
I want that over there. Take it. Take that. It's over there. I want that
she
chicken.
doesn't want to touch that girl.
I want
She'll
that.
run away.
Don't worry. You hold it, okay? You have to hold it.
You want to hold one girl?
Pino, you have to. Okay?
I can't catch her.
Then one to go fast if you can.
She's very hard to catch, you know.
You're running away.
I'm calling the pigeon. Don't.
I want that chicken. That
Pigeon are coming. Pigeon are. Uncle Rina is calling them.
There.
Oh.
Woo.
They're coming. Don't go to there near them.
What?
Police will shoot. Very, you know, afraid of
Hey, I want that.
some, you know.
Hey, I want that chicken over there. Now, please, can I have this chicken over there? And you have that pick up to chicken, okay? Okay? That's where he will come. Uncle Rina, catch that chicken, okay? With white and black mixed.
You cannot catch them. She doesn't want to be touched.
But I will pet him quietly. I won't say any words.
You want to pet them?
That chicken over there.
You see, they're white.
But I want to pet that chicken.
Yeah.
Why is it coming for chicken?
Don't touch your mouth because you have dirty hand. You will touch everywhere. Don't touch anything because they are dirty.
Chicken will say, don't touch me.
How about the not wild one?
White one also don't want to be touched.
Oh.
She will run. It will go near.
Hey, what? You want this? Let us go. Back.
Yeah.
Hey, Uncle Rina, catch the not a wild one, okay? Uncle Rina,
Yes.
catch not the wild one.
I cannot get her.
I said not the wild one.
Not the wild one. Catch the not wild.
They, you know, all of them, they doesn't want that.
Don't, Casey, don't touch it. They're bad. They will hit Uncle Rina. You have to pay Uncle. They're very bad.
Uncle Rina,
Yes.
you have to call them, okay?
Pigeons will come after. We have to go. Because
Let's go,
they
Casey.
won't have food to eat.
Let's go.
But I want to pet these chickens. I want to pet these.
When they are, you know, friendly, we will catch them. Okay.
They are not friendly now.
I want a small friendly chicken.
Come.
They are down.
On my back.
On back, on Uncle's back. Go, Uncle back. Go to Uncle back.
Father
Hold.
is getting
Hey, side.
Small one, let's try to catch, okay?
Let's catch the small one. Catch it. Hunt it, please. Hunt it.
See, they don't want to. Yeah.
I love you. Well, you
Back once more, then we'll go, okay? Here.
He likes it.
Yeah.
Now he don't want to leave me.
Ah, oh, lắm rồi.
Now look, he has like claws.
Yeah.
Look.
He want to go now.
Oh, I love him. The kids don't look left and petting you. Concentrate in your petting. Concentrate from your petting. He's not concentrating from his petting.
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's
I'm
go.
going to let him
Enough?
go.
Okay, chalo. Chal Gracie. Let's go. So thank you, Uncle Ina.
And thank you, Uncle Ina.
Welcome.
I love to pet him.
You'll pet him another time, okay?
Do you like it?
Yes, he was so cute.
And you have to wash your hands also.
Yeah.
I also must feed. I pet him beauty.
Yeah.
We catch the small one. And thank you for catching the small one.
Yeah.
Thank you for catching the small one.
Thank you for catching small one. He's very happy. Okay, wash your hands, okay? With soap. Happy, Gracie?
And over there, the chicken is not there.
Come. This is for 100% attendance this year, and the award goes to my mother-in-law. One photo also. Yeah. 1 minute. I will give you.
This is the
This is the
first prize and certificate.
and the certificate. Okay.